Józef Brandt was born 1841 in Szczebrzeszyn, died 1915 in Radom, was a Polish painter, a representative of the Munich School, best known for his paintings of battles. He studied as a painter in Munich under Franz and Karl Piloty and then opened his own studio. His paintings mostly study 17th century military life, though he has also made some studies of Polish peasant life. In 1893, Brandt was awarded the Order of Isabella the Catholic, and in 1898, he became the recipient of the Bavarian Maximilian Order for Science and Art.